Let's go across to our guest joining us. Radhika Khera from the BJP stays with us. Arshpreet Khadial, spokesperson of the Congress, joining us. Dr. Vivek Jain, educationist, and Desh Rattan Nigam, political analyst, leans towards the BJP, also with us. I want to ask Dr. Vivek Jain, there has been this acceptance that something needs to be reformed or changed about the NTA itself. What do you think that is? Because this very body was formed not 50, 60 years ago, barely 8 years ago, with the express function that it will be able to handle large, nationwide, large-scale examinations in a foolproof manner. That aim has certainly not been achieved. So according to you, what are those changes that the NTA needs?
Yeah, thanks, Shivani. Shivani, first of all, I like to speak pro-student. I like to first address to the problems the students are facing. NEET PG is one of the most important examination in the professional career of a medical student. This is a PG entrance exam which is given after they have completed their MBBS. So this is for them a chance to choose their professional career. That is the branch they will specialize in, MD or MS, that is medicine, surgery, gynecology, obstetrics or pediatrics. So this is a very important exam for not just them, but the future of healthcare foundation in our country. Now, there are 5 problems I could identify by what has been going on since last 2 days. Number one, it has created undue mental trauma and stress in the mind of students who have been preparing for this exam since last many months, and in fact, whole MBBS of 5.5 years. Number two, their whole preparation has now been derailed and these strategies have gone haywire. This has led to a lot of anxiety in their mind. Now, number 3, it will impact the whole healthcare system also. Delayed examination means the students, PG students, will be joining the medical colleges and hospitals across the country many months late. This will lead to acute shortage of health staff in the country, which will affect the general population. Number 4, many of these junior doctors had taken a sabbatical if they were working in a job somewhere just for this exam. So just imagine now they are nowhere to go to. They are suffering financially also because thousands of students had booked hotels, flights, trains.
Yeah.
Many of them were accompanied with their parents and family members just for this examination. So just imagine, many of them had even slept by the time this news came just 12 hours before the actual exam. And
You're
suddenly
talking
they
about the
were,
NEET PG exam, yes.
yeah, NEET PG exam, exactly. And finally, number 5, we must remember Indian medical students are considered one of the best in the world. And in their mind, it is creating a lot of trust and faith in the system. And this is something that we have to restore.
So how
Now
will that be restored? At least as far
Yeah.
as the NTA is concerned, what would you like to see happen?
Okay, I'll suggest, because it's plain speak, I'll speak in plain words. Just 3 things I will like to ensure. Number 1, the agencies make sure the exam is conducted in a timely manner, right? There should be no delay. In case there is a delay, for whatever the reason may be, the student should be informed at least 90 days well in advance. This will help them calm down and take the exam in the right spirit and right way. Number 2, the examination system has to be conducted in a fully transparent manner. Please take relevant measure to ensure that. See, I can speak from my own experience. I appeared in the same exam 20 years ago. At that time, we used to have state PG entrances. At that time also, if anyone does a Google search, you will be surprised to find that this has been continuing since decades now. Every alternate year or so, we hear about these malpractices being done in the examination. So this is somewhere the health authorities, the health agencies, and the ministry has to come forward and take
Okay.